Well, hi there, food friends. It's Kevin,
And Marianne behind the camera.
and welcome to Cavalcade of Food. And Mare, today we are going to show our friends some new additions to the range room. Two new Frigidaire ranges, okay?
Okay.
Come on with me. So, I got in a couple of new stoves. And let's look at the first one. See what this says, Mare?
Flair.
Flair. Because it has so much flair. This is a 1964 Flair 40-inch stove. Let me tell you, if this thing doesn't weigh 500 pounds, it doesn't weigh an ounce. Right?
Right.
As you know. Dear friend, Mary Beth, thank you so much. She's like, they're demolishing a home in the neighborhood and everything's got to come out, and do you want this stove? And so it's like, okay. I didn't have a Flair in the collection. It's not a stove that I was ever a particular, not that I'm not a fan, it's just so big, but I understand why a lot of people like them. Marianne, these stoves have a cult following almost. And General Motors, the Frigidaire division, made them for a lot of years. And so I thought, okay, I really should have one in the collection. So it's kind of dirty, it's kind of rough, as many stoves that I get are when I get them. So it's going to need some Kevin cleanup time. But let's just show our friends, Mir. Come in a little bit, and let's just show them the top. So basically, it's a double oven. Right oven, left oven. It has a broiler, of course. It has a thermometer for different meat doneness. It has an automatic timer along with the clock. If you look at the clock, and the lighting in this part of the building isn't great, but it has a blue hand for the minute and a green hand for the hour. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
It's really a pretty clock. I really do like the clock. And then over here, we've got our burner controls for our 4 burners. And so these are infinite heat, which means they basically, they're not like low, medium, high, like that. They're just, you can put them in any position that you want. It also has a heat minder. Don't know if it works or not. We'll find out eventually. But here are the 2 ovens. This is the feature, Mare, that people love. You see how these, look how these doors just swing up for easy access. So you've got 2 ovens. Part of the reason why I've never gone out of my way for a Flair is that even though it has 2 ovens, they're both kind of small.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're not full size quite. I mean, you can do a lot in these ovens, don't get me wrong, but, anyways. But they have the glass doors, which are nice. You could turn a light on in the oven and take a peek. No bending, no stooping, right? No fuss, no muss. Then you have a pull-out burner. So the first 2 burners come out this far. This one's got the heat minder. It's got this little thermostat that comes, this, you see it's on a spring, and this is supposed to stay in contact with the bottom of your utensil and keep a consistent heat. And then you can pull it out further to reveal 2 more burners in the back. And as you can see, they were not good housekeepers.
No, they weren't.
Okay, so I will have to do something there. Get that cleaned up. But in the bottom, look at this, Mare. You have this really large cabinet with a lot of storage for pots and pans. That's nice. That is a nice feature. But it is a big range, isn't it?
Yep.
So, whether or not it will make it into the kitchen studio at some point, I'm not sure. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now we're going to go and look at the other stove, which just came in. So that Flair was a 1964. This is also a Frigidaire, and it is a 1962 Deluxe. There, see it says Deluxe right there. Frigidaire, okay, produced by General Motors. And if you look, it kind of has the same style clock, except these hands are just all black. And it's a very straightforward stove. It has two 6-inch burners, two 8-inch burners. I gotta scrape the goo off of here. You know, when I move these stoves, I always tape the burners down so they don't flop around, because often the stove is on its back. And this tape really left a lot of little residue I got to get off. But look at this oven there. Now see, this is a nice big oven. This is the kind of oven I like to bake in and like to cook in. So I'll take an oven like this any day. So thank you to our friend Richard, who scouted this one out for me at an estate sale. And this one, you'll probably see this one in the studio kitchen before you see the Flair in the studio kitchen. But it's just all part of the kitchen fun we have around here at Cavalcade. So anyways, I just wanted to share these two new these two new entries into the range room here. Both Frigidaires, one from 1962, one from 1964. And we will get them cleaned up and ready for service one of these days in the kitchen studio. But until then, I want to say thank you for watching. I want to thank my sister for working the camera. Thanks, girl. And we also want to tell people there's a website, cavalcadeoffood.com, and subscribe, share, like, and we appreciate you watching. So stay cool. It's a hot summer, at least here in Michigan, still hot. And we'll look forward to seeing you again real soon right here on Cavalcade Food. Bye, everybody.
Bye.